just finished renovating a house from 1935, and we are just now moving in, which is hence the mess. As part of the renovation, when we were trying to determine the HVAC situation, they were originally going to put traditional HVAC with the ducting in the basement, but because the house is originally from 1935, the ceilings were really low, so that meant the ducting would get in the way and people would actually have to duck their head, no pun intended, walking around the basement. So we quickly decided that traditional HVAC was not the way to go. My husband did some research and found Aire. And after talking to Todd about the various options, he recommended mini splits. And not a lot of people do mini splits yet, but definitely it's the way to go. And so we have absolutely loved both the experience with Aire as well as the mini splits. It's turned out to be absolutely perfect. They're slimline, they're almost innocuous. You don't really even pay attention to them or see them, and it keeps the house, the lines clean, the ceilings clean. It's been great. No ductwork downstairs, which was really important. Ducking in the basement was not an option.
Whisper quiet. It's actually running right now. If you can see the fan going.